Hey guys, what's up? Click Review here, bringing you an unboxing of Far Cry 3. So this is for Xbox 360 because that's what I have, obviously. So at the top we have Xbox 360, Far Cry 3. We have Voss, I believe his name is. He just had a pistol, dual wield apparently. We have somebody's head in the sand. We have people hanging from their feet in the trees. It is the 18 best of E3 awards and nominations. You can see like the whole, like what the island looks like from behind him. Rated M for mature. Created by Ubisoft. Flip it onto the spine. Xbox 360. Far Cry 3 looks pretty sweet, and I don't know, it just looks cool. Backside, we have a guy with an assault rifle and it looks like machete. A helicopter right there. It says "Hell of a Lot of Fun" by IGN. Vast, exhilarating open world by Kotaku. And Like Nothing You've Ever Seen Before by Complex. And then it says "Journey into the Heart of Insanity. Far off the charts lies an island unlike any other, a place where heavily armed warlords traffic enslaved, where outsiders are hunted for ransom and see. And as you embark on a desperate quest to rescue your friends, you realize that the only way to escape this darkness is to embrace it." We have looks like a rocket launcher. You can see a shark's dorsal fin right there, and a guy swimming. And then we have like your split screen multiplayer and co-op. This uses a Uplay passport for online, which is like Assassin's Creed 3. 18 best of E3 awards and nominations. Xbox Live. You don't need to read that. It is players 1, co-op 2, 3 megabytes to save, 720p, 1080i, 1080p. Online is multiplayer 2 to 14, co-op 2 to 4, and there will be DLC as seen there. This is rated M for blood and gore, intense violence, nudity, strong language, strong sexual content, and use of drugs. So let's go ahead and cut it open. Plastic off first. Is it even? Here, I'll rip this off. Leave it open. And okay, so inside we have the cover of the game on the manual. We have your controls and what Uplay does. You can like win stuff, and let me get my online pass out of the way. Just cover up. So here we have "Don't Lose This Card," Far Cry 3, Uplay passport. Opens, got a few pictures. Activate your Uplay passport, online stuff. Oops. Okay, so on the disc, get this out. Far Cry 3. We have Voss, rated M, Ubisoft, Far Cry 3. It's pretty much the same as the cover, everything is. And that was my unboxing of Far Cry 3. I'm gonna go play this with my brother. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'm gonna go eat some Wendy's. Okay, that was not necessary, but thanks for watching, guys, and peace out. Happy New Year.